What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning Python. In the previous video we have used Python in our shell, so we use this Python in our shell. But if you guys do your professional programming in Python, you guys need to download the IDE. While I admit there is tons of other IDEs, like there is Eclipse and there is PyDev and there is lots of other IDEs. You guys can go ahead and consider downloading this PyCharm, which is it's a Pi stands for Python, so it's very interactive. It's got autocomplete, so it's got the Python IDE for professional developers. If you guys want to learn the Python the best way, I think this is the IDE for you guys. So if you guys look here, it's got a typing, and as it types it gives you different options and different methods. So if you guys do your functions here, it starts giving you options, all these methods, inbuilt methods in Python, because it's huge. And if you guys do use this few times, you guys cannot use any other IDE after this. So this is download PyCharm is it's a free trial, and you guys, it's a free on open source, so it's up to you guys. You guys want to pay, I would not recommend you guys to pay, because you guys learning intelligent Python editor, graphical debugger, and navigation, code inspector, and scientific tools. If you guys want a scientific tools which you guys not doing at the moment, web development, Python web framework, Python profiler, because we are not doing any of this. All we need to do is that free and open source. So you guys can go here, either here or either do this, press these buttons for download. We are going to see further download. We see in download what's in download, and you see the same message here. So it's got a PyCharm. You guys, we are of course we are on Windows, and it's got a professional free trial, and it's got a community download. We always go community because community is free. You don't need to pay anything, you just use it for free. And yeah, it's up to you guys. You guys wanna put your email. I would not put my email, and I just want to save this file over here. And once I save this, it's no problem. If you guys want to use this, no worries. But this is alright if you go doing the basic stuff. But if you guys want to further develop your skills, if you want to learn more about Python, you guys need to install this IDE, because you guys we need the IDE to practice and make programs in Python. And you guys see that Python is going to be installed soon in our computer. Or so we go here and press next, and we press next. It's downloading, and we're going to create a shortcut. We add this one, create a source.py. So I want my everything file to open with py, and I want to open my folder project and 64 launcher. Alright, so we go ahead and press next and install. So guys, our download has finished, and we come here at the last windows here for PyCharm, and we are gonna finish. And because I tick the run, and it's gonna run, and I'm gonna check if my PyCharm's IDE is gonna work. And once I'm satisfied that it is working and everything, then I'm gonna test it, and we go further from there. Configure import PyCharm sim config or installation directory. Do not import settings. So we don't have anything installed at the moment in Python, so in a PyCharm, so we can bring anything inside. So if you guys got an older version of this PyCharm, you guys can press the config, and it's gonna bring all your old setting into the new one. But because we don't have anything and we're installing for the first time, that's why we are not don't want to bring any setting. Alright, so we are here at the first window. Welcome to PyCharm and the project. We're gonna press the if you guys have any project, you guys can open here, and we gotta put a new project. And once you guys press that, it says Python project. Just remember this name. So the new projects, that's the location, users home, PyCharm projects, Python project. You guys can put like this. And new environment using the virtual env, because Python uses virtual UANV. This is a pip env, and this is conda. I'm going to show you guys how to download this conda, because at the moment we are going to concentrate on PyCharm. And pip is installation packages, so it installed all the Python packages, and we're going to use this virtual env. Virtual env is very important in running Python, and once you guys got your hands dirty in Python, I'm going to explain this virtual env. This is a virtual environment for Python. So, and if you guys making your search engine, say if you guys making other programs, you guys need this virtual env to run your Python, because it's a virtual environment for Python. Alright, so we are waiting for this to complete, and we're going to put our first line. So now Python is creating the virtual environment. Alright guys, we have downloaded our PyCharm, and we are here at the first screen. We have created our project, and you guys see this is the main. This is our main file here, and you guys see this is main.py. Py stands for Python. It's extension for Python. Every file you guys make, it should include this py at the end. This is our virtual environment. And you guys do not need to touch this, because this is your virtual environment where the Python runs. And here, this is our Python, and this is external libraries. And you guys see all Python 39 and virtual env, binary skeleton, DLLs, that's a dynamic link library for Windows, extended definitions, libraries, type packages, Python 3.0 library root, because this PyCharm needs Python to run. That's why it points to this Python. So you guys see here, this is the first. Press Shift F10 to execute it and replace it with your own code. So in order for you guys to execute, you guys either go here at run main, or here Alt Shift F10 or debug, because we are not at the moment debug, because we haven't made a very large scale program, and so you guys can do debug if you make like a large scale, hundreds of thousands of code and 500 or something, say pages, and you guys want to find out what's wrong with your program, why it's not running. Here it says main, run main, and it's called Shift F10. So if you press Shift F10, you're going to run your program, and your program is going to run PyCharm. So you guys can replace it with hello and hi. So you guys can replace it, and if you guys press Shift F10, it's going to execute your program, and it says hi, hello, and hi. So because hi, hello, and hi, here hi and hi is hi here, and it says this name. Alright, so because this goes to the main function, that's how we write our Python. This is our function here, and here we are running this. So you guys go ahead and you guys can clear all this if you want. Alright, so if we're gonna put our print, and if we're gonna put a hello to everyone, and we're pressing our Shift F10, and we are waiting for output, and you guys see that hello to everyone, and that's printed our first line. So it means that our Python is working. It's working very fine, and our PyCharm is installed and ready to launch. So everything's in order, and we're gonna do our coding in the next video. All right, that's it for this video, guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.